Bonjour, aujourd'hui c'est mercredi le 3 octobre et je vais vous présenter exactement ce que nous avons fait aujourd'hui. D'abord, je vais à la page français 2 de Pré-AP, notes et activités. Et je cherche les échauffements. Les voilà. OK. Et l'échauffement pour mercredi, le 3 octobre, c'était un matching. But the problem was that we had some issues because I messed up and put 5 o'clock twice. I just corrected it. So basically what you're doing is you are writing the letter of the sentence in French that matches what it is in English. Like, il est 1 heure would be here, it's 1 o'clock, and so forth and so on. But we did this warm-up together in class. You still need to do it, but I fixed it, so it should work now. So we did that. Okay, so next, after we did our warm-up, we did a telling time gallery walk. I have pictures of clocks, 17 pictures of clocks all around the room with different times, and each person got a handout that looked like this, and you can find it on my webpage under French Tutor Pre-AP Notes and Activities. And you had to find the picture that matched each of these sentences. 2 of the sentences you won't find a picture for, they'll be blank. Now we had a little bit of an aggravation during 5th period because I messed up, but I fixed it, so now it should work. All the numbers are going to get used, all the pictures are going to get used, only 2 sentences are not. And so you'll write the number of the picture next to the sentence that it matches. So we did that. Then once we were done with that, we went to our workbook. And next we did a listening activity. So I'm going to go to the listening activity. We did the second listening activity that was already on this handout that you received last week, or maybe at the beginning of this week, I can't remember. But I'm going to go ahead and play it through and let you listen, and then it'll be on here.
Activité 2. Listen to the sentences twice. Then, complete the schedule below by circling the days and writing the time you have each class. 1.
Vous avez cours de français le mardi, jeudi et vendredi à 8 heures. Vous avez cours de français le mardi, jeudi et vendredi à 8 heures.
2.
Le cours de maths est le lundi, le jeudi et le vendredi à 11 heures. Le cours de maths est le lundi, le jeudi et le vendredi à 11 heures.
3.
Vous avez cours de musique le mercredi à 9 heures. Vous avez cours de musique le mercredi à 9 heures.
4.
Vous avez espagnol le lundi, mardi et jeudi à 14 heures. Vous avez espagnol le lundi, mardi et jeudi à 14 heures.
5.
Le cours d'histoire est à 16 heures le lundi, mardi et jeudi. Le cours d'histoire est à 16 heures le lundi, mardi et jeudi.
6.
Le cours d'informatique, c'est le mercredi à 11 heures. Le cours d'informatique, c'est le mercredi à 11 heures.
Okay, so, and I actually played that through 3 times, and then they circled the days of the week, and they wrote the time that they heard. And we went over that together in the correct answers. Next, we did our workbook, all right? We went back to page 54, and we did this activity. We also completed this activity. We didn't go over the answers yet. So it was 54, 55, and the top of page 56. So we did these 3 activities, and then we're going to go over them tomorrow before we do our stations. If we have time, hopefully we'll have time. Or we may go over them Friday, it depends. But that is all we did today. Au revoir. Bonne soirée.